Welcome guys to our very first video here on Morris Time Cooking It with yours truly, Chef Adrian Morris. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make coconut steamed salmon served with quinoa and seasonal vegetables. So these are a list of the ingredients that you guys will need. Forward, I'm going to show you how it's done the real way. So now we're going to add black pepper and all-purpose seasoning. And need I point out not to watch out my ashy hand because me washy man. So me washy, hence it ashy. You have to wash your hands guys before you prepare your fish because you don't want to mess with bacteria. And this fish was already washed, pre-washed with a bit of lemon juice and water and dried. Now add the seasoning on both sides of the fish to ensure that the flavor is even right throughout. Add a bit of lime juice just to cut away the rawness from the fish, and as I said, don't watch out my ashy hand. Now when you place the fish into the pan, ensure that they are not touching each other too much so that when they cook evenly. Now we're gonna add all that good stuff, the carrot, coconut cream and the water and a paprika for color, and of course the butter is already in there, or pimento, and the hot scotch bonnet pepper we get straight from Jamaica. Now we're gonna place this on medium heat or high heat, whichever one you prefer, and you're gonna let that come to a boil and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes just to reduce the water into a nice gravy. Now here I have my steamed veg pot set up to just blanch off my vegetables. Now when you're stirring this around, be sure not to be too rough because you don't want to break up the fish pieces. Add the all-purpose and paprika here because mine needed it, and as you can see my vegetables are still firm and nice. Now I'm going to add in a little slurry which is made of cornstarch and water. What this does is to ensure that the gravy gets thicker quicker. Yeah, that bad, thicker quicker. So what this does is actually reduce the amount of time that you have to make your gravy get thick so that you don't overcook your fish. Now I'm adding a bit of water. I'm going to let that simmer for about 5 more minutes, and then it's time for plating. The real deal. Over here, as I said before, the quinoa and the seasonal vegetables. Now zoom in, cameraman, on the pink stuff. The pink stuff. Look at that guys. Holy, like them say eat with the eyes, but I beg you, please don't eat it off before me get to taste it. Creamy, flavorful, all in one. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe below. Please follow us if you like our videos on Instagram at Morris Time Cooking with an underscore, and on Facebook at Morris Time Cooking, one word, and on Snapchat I upload on the regular daily at Morris Time CE. Big up on yourself.